Today I'll show you how to get started on Eventbrite. We'll cover all essential steps to create and promote an event. Enter your email and password, then go to account settings to fill in the details about yourself. Navigate to the organization settings to provide information about your business. All information entered here is securely stored and isn't visible to the public. Now build your organizer profile. This will help the public learn more about your organization and allow followers to stay updated with your events. If you're selling tickets, make sure to fill out your taxpayer information under taxpayer information. Eventbrite uses this to manage tax compliance. Once your account is set up and business details are set up, it's time to create your first event. Head over to the upcoming events dashboard and click on create event. Make a clear and concise title. Less than 75 characters works best. Either enter your organizer name or choose an existing profile. Choose a category that best represents your event. This will help Eventbrite promote your event effectively. Enter your venue location. For online events, Eventbrite has specific settings, so check their help center. Enter the start and end time and date, and you can also set a repeating schedule if the event will occur repeatedly. Upload an image by dragging and dropping and clicking upload. Write a brief summary and add a detailed description. This will appear in Eventbrite's discovery page and search engines. Now it's time to add ticket options. Choose paid, free or donation ticket types. For donation tickets, attendees choose the amount they wish to pay. Set the name, price and quantity. Choose to absorb or pass ticket fees to attendees. Use advanced features like ticket visibility and sales channels. You can add merchandise or other add-ons for sale from the Add-ons tab. If you'd like to reserve or hide certain ticket quantities, use the Holds tab to manage your inventory. Now before publishing, ensure your payment and tax settings are correctly configured. Set up a payment method to determine how Eventbrite sends you ticket sales. Choose a refund policy to allow or restrict refunds, and configure sales tax settings as required by our local laws. Before publishing, there are a few more customization options to consider. Under Order Options, you can customize the checkout process or add fields to collect attendee information. Always preview your event to ensure it appears as attendant. Adjust privacy settings and choose your publish options. Publish Now will make your event visible immediately, and Schedule Publish will allow you to publish at a later date.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.